Late at night, the disciples were crossing the sea in a boat. Strong winds blew against them. Waves crashed hard. Fear filled their hearts. Then, through the darkness, Jesus appeared walking on the water. The disciples panicked and cried, "It's a ghost!" But Jesus spoke calmly. "Take courage. It is I. Don't be afraid." Matthew 14, verses 26 to 27. Peter looked at Jesus and said, "Lord, if it is really you, tell me to come to you on the water." Jesus answered with one word, "Come." Peter stepped out of the boat. One step, then another. He was walking on water. But when Peter looked at the storm instead of Jesus, fear entered his heart, and he began to sink. Matthew chapter 14, verses 28 to 30. Peter cried out, "Lord, save me!" Immediately, Jesus reached out his hand and caught him. Jesus said, "Why did you doubt? Your faith was small." Then they climbed into the boat, and the storm became completely calm. Matthew chapter 14, verses 31 to 32. The disciples worshiped Jesus and said, "Truly, you are the Son of God." Lesson: when we focus on fear, we sink. When we focus on God, faith keeps us standing.